we are so happy to offer summer camps for kids and teens. These are one-of-kind programs that have been offered for the first time in India. And we feel that children should be introduced to computer science at a younger age, and that's the only way that they're going to get comfortable with it. And our programs are, we have Scratch programming from MIT, which is a block-based program. Children don't have to learn any syntax, and they are very comfortable with creating animations and games. And instead of downloading and playing games, they actually create their own games and create their own animations. We also have students who are learning Android app development. They have created their own apps. We have students who have created more than 10 to 12 apps, and the aim is to have them create an app which is a socially useful app which can benefit society, and hopefully get them to spread their knowledge around and give them a good basis for computer science. And we have another program called Python and Scratch programming and using a Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a credit card sized motherboard which can be used as a computer, and we use it to train children and get them familiar with Python programming, and they can actually create projects. We have an LED light blinking project where the student can actually code with Python and make the a light blink, and they are going to be creating motion sensors and a digital watch and many more projects like this using a Raspberry Pi. One thing that is really different about our school is that it reduces the fear of programming, and from anyone, from a small child to 18, 20-year-old. The programming basics that we have brought are from some of the top colleges in the world. We have our Scratch programming comes from MIT, and the Android app development from MIT again, and created these programs which will make it very user friendly, and children are very comfortable using these programs. It's an additional learning program. It doesn't we can make it compatible with the school program. There are a lot of schools who are teaching computer science, but this is an added initiative, and it is something that is very child friendly and very useful to a child. Computer science is something which is it's a scary topic. People don't think that computer science is an easy subject. It's very difficult. Children might find it tough to learn. But how we teach is an easy way. We demystify the science behind computer science. At present, we are offering summer camps and after school and weekend programs. We also have other online programs where we have 3-month courses on computer science, which are higher end programs for older children, where we cover the basics of computer science up to Java programming, which can be useful to children even and students going up to college second year.